We need the ground welder and we need the ground. Yeah. So you got quite a gap going on right there right now. So when I start again, I wouldn't want to put my wire in the middle of that gap. I want to put it halfway on this one. And halfway on that one. Halfway on that one. Good stuff, Chetty. I just went to the other side that time. A little bigger gap than usual. Good. Big gap. Make sure you hit that. You know what's next? If I want to get my hat dirty, I have to take my glove off every time. Hard to keep all these little pieces of square stock in order. Just wanted to get the blue look out of it, that's all. That's why I kept hitting it. Just wanted to get the blue look out of it. Hot. I guess it doesn't matter. Just gonna get a pair of vice grips to hold it for me. Actually.